Hello and welcome to episode 3 of this 6-part series where I'll show you how to build your own online Obodo store. Now in this episode I'm going to show you how to customize your grocery theme. So first of all we're just going to head to the shop tab and what we want to do first is actually create our own little logo. So we're just going to make sure that this edit design button is highlighted in white and then it's going to appear this little edit logo button here that we can click on. And then we can simply click logo and it'll take us through to the design tab where a little pop-up box in the middle will appear. So you can either upload your own logo if you've got it saved on your computer, or you can actually create a new logo in our logo builder. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, one thing I always like to do is go to the top left and change it to a black background. I just feel like you can see it a lot easier. Especially it seems we're going to be creating a white logo. So I'm just going to call it Tom's Grocery Shop. Tom's and then Grocery Shop is all done in the top left corner along with searching for a logo. So I'm just going to search for a bread logo and see what it comes back with. So let's have a look. Quite like the look of this one. And then we're just going to change the color of all these. Ideally you can have the hex code all the same if you follow a certain pattern. So just pop that all the same, and then if you want to make the text bigger as well, because the bottom kind of like row is a bit smaller, you simply just click on the element, hold down on left click and drag outwards, and as you can see you can simply resize. I'm just going to make this fairly big just so it's visible. And I'm going to change it to the same font, so it looks like that is Arial font, so change that to there, and I quite like it italic actually, and also using it as bold might change, yeah I'll change that to italic as well, that a bit bigger, and then we go. So that's pretty much it for the logo. So that's pretty much it for the logo. You just click save logo down the bottom left. You can apply it to your shop straight away, or you can download it as an actual PNG image file, but we're just going to apply it to the shop. You can also readjust the size of the logo here. We'll leave it as that. I don't want it too big actually, so just going to click update. And then click save logo. Now we're just going to head to the shop tab to make sure that that has saved. So now that our logo is sorted, we're going to want to customize this top banner. So we're just going to click edit design again, and then a little box is going to appear called edit image. So we're just going to click on that and then click edit. So you can choose whether or not you want to actually display this element. Maybe you want to keep it hidden, maybe you don't want the top banner, but for now I'm just going to keep it visible. Content wise, this is where you actually customize your image, so if you want to upload your own kind of banner that you've already created, either in Photoshop or another editing software, then you can do so using this button. Just keep in mind that we do have recommended sizes for this theme. So it's 1920 pixels by 600 pixels up here. Otherwise, what we're going to do today is simply edit this kind of banner in our image builder. So you simply just click edit this image. It's going to take you through and you've got a blank canvas to work from. So we're just going to head to insert, click on image and click on grocery. Well, we're going to search for grocery, sorry. So as you can see, this is our kind of like database of images that are all really high quality, completely kind of copyright free, so you don't have to grab them from Google. Simply have a good browse through and pick one that you think might work best. So I quite like this one, so just going to click on it. But what I'm going to do is resize it like we did with the logo builder. I'm just going to hold down my left click and drag it outwards. Yeah, I quite like it like that. And you can also insert a box. So I'm just going to insert a box here, and I'm going to decrease the opacity that. I might drag it all the way across actually. And then I'm going to insert some text. Click on this little pencil tool to edit what it says. And I'm just going to put, welcome to Tom's grocery store. And I'm going to increase the font size here and change it to white. And then I'm going to add maybe a little button or a call to action on the right hand side. So I'm just going to draw another box here. And then I'm going to make the colour actually blank by clicking on this box here. And then I'm going to put the border colour to white and then the border width. I'm just going to increase that a little bit. And then I'll just set the opacity to full, so you kind of got this little kind of like button looking like shape. And then I'm just going to put some text in it, so insert text again. Just got to make that a bit smaller so it fits in. And I'll probably reshape these boxes. There you go. So that's looking pretty good. It's kind of got a nice little welcome message, and then it's got a shop now button as well. So that's looking good for the main banner. I'm just going to click save image, and I can either save as a PNG image file for the computer, or I can actually save it straight to the shop. So I'm just going to click save to shop. And there's a few other bits that you can do for your header, so you can actually add a image description. So these are alt tags that Google's going to kind of help understand what's within the image, so it can be good for kind of like your organic search as well. You can also link your image, so just by clicking this little table icon here, it'll pop up this box, and we can actually link it to our, if we wanted to, our bread category, or pretty much anything. So we could even link it to a product, but we'll link it to the bread category. Just click select link, and then also last but not least, you can actually display a different image for mobile, but we're just going to keep it the same for now, and click save and close. Okay, so this is what our banner looks like that we just created. If we want to click on it, it'll simply take us to the bread category. So if we wanted to, we can create multiple sliding banners, and we can actually kind of like show off our product range and create buttons and links to each of our categories. Another thing that we could do to customize the kind of like design of our theme is actually reorder how it's displayed. So if we wanted these 4 promotional kind of like category boxes to display first, I'll show you how to do that. So we just headed to the design tab here and then clicked on this edit button, and then we click on edit layout. And as you can see, I can literally simply drag these 4 promotional areas all the way up above the hero banner, so that these are going to display first. And then if I wanted to, I can actually click this little icon and actually hide the banner. So if I just wanted to have these 4 promotional areas instead of the hero banner, I actually can. I quite like the look of that actually, but for now we'll just put things back to how they were, and we'll just click save. But yeah, that is one way of kind of customizing the layout of your design if there's certain elements that you don't want to use. And then last but not least, I'm going to show you how to change the color scheme of your online shop. So sometimes you might not want this blue kind of color scheme that we've got going on. Maybe you have your own brand colors, so we'll just click to edit again and then click change colors. And then go to theme background. You can actually upload a background image for the whole of your website. It'll fill in all the kind of blank space with kind of just a set image. And then we have theme colors. So as you can see, it kind of tells you what each color option will do if you change it. So you've got kind of like your background color, your main accent colors, link colors, header text colors, so you've got a really kind of like vast range of options and customizability. However, for now I'm just going to keep it the same. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video on how to customize the design and theme of your shop. If you have enjoyed, please let me know in the comment section below. If you've got any queries, again, leave a comment and we'll get back to you. But in the next video, I'm going to show you how to confirm or set up some of your delivery methods. See you in the next one.